Hi, this is Michael, and I want to show you a new feature in LogMD called AutoRuns. We start by running LogMD with the -AR command, and that will do the AutoRuns. It takes about 15 seconds to run. You'll get a report called report autoruns.csv for post-processing and scripts or anything you want to do. There, that quick, it's done. We open it up, and let's make it a little easier to read. Let's widen this field so we can show you what's in this. What you can see is the type of autorun that's in there. We have several. You can see, we'll scroll down. You got win, login, network, log on, etc. We have the actual key location, the value name of the key, the original path that the autorun ran, and the resolved path, which is what we use to hash the files. It's a CSV, so you can post-process, and this is your report that you'll see in free. Now let's take a look at how many we have here. We have 1,251 autoruns. Now we've pre-infected this box, so the goal here is to find the persistence that the malware is using. And by doing that in the free version, you'll have to post-process or manually go through this and take a look at it. But in Pro, we've added a couple cool new features. So let's take a look at that. Next time we run it, we'll add a feature in LogMD Pro that's called MD for Master Digest. So what we're going to do is exclude unique files that are in the system that we already have trusted out. So when we run the autoruns again, we will have a much smaller result set. And it's done again. We take a look at it. Again, make it easier to read. Widen these just a little bit so we can see what's in there, because we'll talk about the results here. Now, how many do we have? We're down to 157. But notice the ones that are left have parameters. We do not exclude through the master digest anything with a parameter. The reason for that is the parameters are how the autoruns or the malware will misuse the system using regular built-in commands like wscript, command.exe, etc. to launch their malware. So never exclude or never get rid of things with parameters unless you're absolutely sure of trusting them. So we have a way to do that. In LogMD Pro, we have the concept of a whitelist. Now here we already have a whitelist for this machine. We've already baselined this box. We'll show you what's in it. I'm commenting it out so we can actually make it work. We'll show you what's in here, and you can see that we have parameters that have already been excluded, right? MSWSOC, DLL, and then the main thing is the parameter. And every one of these will have a parameter. This is how you further narrow down the results. So now if we run LogMD one more time, not only does it exclude the master digest, but it will also now add the whitelist. And we'll see the results as soon as it's done. And let's see if we can find the persistence of this malware. We open the report. We make it easier to read. We'll widen these fields so it's real easy to understand. Open this up. And there you go. Here's the auto run. The run key is being used. You can see that it's called a run key. There's the run actual registry path. Here's the location of it. They're exploiting the built-in Windows utility run-dll32. Why you can't exclude run-dll32.exe is because they are misusing it with a parameter. And they're putting the malware in app data roaming Microsoft some weird directory name in a DLL. And you can see it's not hashed because we do have a parameter and the result path is the same. And there you go. That's how you find the persistence of malware using LogMD autoruns. Thanks for watching.